Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. My name is Vaishali and let's begin with our subject EVS. Children, today we will be discussing the book exercise of chapter number 10, People Who Help Us. Let's begin. So children, now let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, tick the right answer. Okay, let's read A part. A dash uses nail, wood and hammer. Tailor, carpenter, barber or doctor. Who uses nail, wood and hammer? A carpenter. So we'll put a tick on carpenter and we will write down carpenter in the blank. Right? Now let's come to the next one. B part. A dash uses cement, bricks and concrete. Who uses cement, bricks and concrete? Mason, cobbler, policeman or postman? Obviously, mason. So we'll put a tick on mason and we'll write down M-A-S-O-N, mason. C part. Cleanliness around us is maintained by. Cleanliness means saaf safai. Barber, plumber, sweeper or farmer. Who maintains cleanliness? Sweeper. The work of sweeper is to clean everything. Now let's come to the next page. Okay. D part. Shoes are mended by the. Who mends the shoes, children? Cobbler, carpenter, car mechanic or tailor? Who mends the shoes? Shoes are mended by the cobbler. So I will write down cobbler here. You see a doctor when you are fine, tired, happy or ill. When do we go and visit a doctor? When we are ill or when we are sick. Right? Now let's start with question number 2. Match the following. Here are some helpers given and here are some items that are related to these helpers. We have to match. We will not be matching by drawing lines. Instead, we will be writing the numbers. Like at number 1, sweeper is there. Is medicines related? No. Dress? No. Broom? Yes. A sweeper uses broom to clean. So here in the yellow box, we will write down number 1. Okay. Now next. At number 2, we have doctor. Doctor is related to, out of all these items, which items? Doctor is related to medicines. Right? Doctor tells us which medicines should we eat. We will write down number 2 here. Then at number 3, we have tailor. What does a tailor stitch? A tailor stitch a dress. So in the yellow box here, we will write down number 3. Next, number 4, carpenter. What does a carpenter use out of all the items? A carpenter uses hammer. He uses nails. He uses wood. So we will match here. We'll write down number 4 in front of hammer. Number 5 is cobbler. Cobbler is related to which item? A cobbler means shoes. Correct. So cobbler we will match with shoes. In front of shoes we will write down number 5. Okay. Then we have mason. Mason is related to which item? Mason is related to bricks. Okay. So we will match mason with bricks. In front of bricks we will write down number 6. Then number 7 is greengrocer. Greengrocer is related to vegetable. A greengrocer sells vegetables and fruits. So we will write down number 7 here. I hope that everyone has done question number 2. Now just let's read question number 3. Question number 3 says, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Few words are given to us in the box. We have to fill in the blanks. Let's do it. Okay, a dash. Who is he in the picture? He is a author or a writer. A writer writes pictures, books, vegetables, shoes or furniture. A writer writes books. So we will be writing books here. Children, write very neatly. Now let's look at B part. Who is here in the picture? What is he selling? He is selling fruits and vegetables. He is a greengrocer. So what does a greengrocer sells to us? In the box we have an option of vegetables. So we will write down vegetables. A greengrocer sells vegetables to us. Now C part. Who is there in C part? He is a cobbler. A cobbler mends our shoes. We will write down shoes in the blank. Okay. Now let's come to D part. Who is there in the picture of D part? He is a carpenter. A carpenter makes our furniture. Furniture means लकड़ी की चीजें, right? Furniture. Okay, now E part. Who is he? He is a photographer. What does a photographer do? A photographer clicks pictures. A photographer clicks pictures. I hope that everyone has done this question number 3. Children, now see question number 4. We will be doing it in the fair notebook, so I am not going to discuss it here. Now let's come to page number 79, activities. Okay, let's read question number 1. Can you name these people who help us in our daily lives? Take help of the words given in the box. Pictures are given to us. We have to identify the picture and we have to write down the name of the person. See, box is given. In the box there are the names. Okay, first one. Who is he? Traffic policeman, postman, housemaid, teacher या watchman. He has a torch in his hand. So he is a watchman. Right? He is a watchman. We will write down watchman. You must have seen watchman in a society. Right? Or in your colony also you must have seen. He takes care that no thieves come. Now who is he? He has letters in his hand. So he is a postman. We will write down postman. Postman. Okay, next. See, there is a blackboard in the picture. Okay, children, see. Who is this? There is a man standing in blue and white uniform with a whistle in his hand. Who is this man? This man is traffic policeman. So I will be writing traffic policeman. Next, see, she has a broom in her hand and she is cleaning. So who is she? She is a housemaid. काम वाली बोलते हैं ना हम in Hindi? Yes. So she is a housemaid. Okay, children, now let's discuss question number 2 of the activity. Question number 2 says, complete the crossword with the help of picture clues. Pictures are given to us. We have to complete the crossword. Okay, first one is a person having hammer and something of iron. So he is a blacksmith. A blacksmith makes things of iron. Blacksmith. Blacksmith. Okay. Second, he has something food item in his hand. Right. So who is he? He is a chef. He is a chef. 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 Okay, next. Next, there is a man in white uniform, blue color cap. Who is he? Come on, think of it. He is a pilot. 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 Next, who is he, children? See, what is he making? He is making pots. So he is a potter. P-O-T-T-E-R. Potter. Next, again there is a person who has colors in his hand. So he is a artist. A-R-T-I-S-T. Artist. Right? Done, everyone?